隔夜美股涨跌不一，加上中国和美国都将公布最新的通胀水平。中国方面还有出口和工业生产者出厂价格指数 （PPI） 等等多项的重磅数据。为此，亚洲股市今天开盘预计将表现谨慎。那今天早上，日本、澳洲和香港的股指期货就率先出现了下滑。那接下来我们有乐天交易证券销售主管 Vincent 刘松增，听听看他又是怎么看今天的亚洲和我国股市。
Okay, I think U.S. market tried to rebound yesterday, but so far recently S&P and Nasdaq has managed to close in the green. I think it opened high, but it gave up a fair bit of their gains. And Dow Jones remained in the red, slightly in the red. I think market is also quite uncertain and volatile. They are looking forward to the CPI numbers that's due today. So I think market consensus is looking at 8.3%. So if anything below that, 8.1 or 8.2, I think would breathe a sigh of relief on the inflation that probably have peaked. US President Joe Biden is also looking into the removing some of the previously imposed tariffs. This may also improve the sentiment as well, also on the inflation numbers. Back on the regional market, we expect trading today to be in the volatile as well, because I think the futures, US futures for S&P, Nasdaq, also Dow is also slightly in the red. Waiting for the US CPI numbers. But I think perhaps China side or Hong Kong side, China side could see some bounce because of the news of the possible removal of tariff from US side on their products. So back on our local front, I think a market today also would still be range bound as well, also cautious since our market yesterday was slightly in the green in terms. So plus today is the BNM meeting. I think most of the consensus is the rate will remain, which including us as well. Rationale is because I think there's no urgency for Vanguard to raise rates, as the rate currently OPR of 1.75 is conducive for the economic recovery, and also I think our ringgit has done relatively well compared to the other regional currencies as well. Although people may complain, oh, our ringgit has dropped a fair bit, but I think if you compare to the basket of regional currencies, I think we are doing not too bad, partly because of the high oil price and the high CPO price. Some stocks to look at probably, and then because I think some of the tech stocks, US mega cap has rebounded, so it may probably spill over to our local tech stocks. Some investors may want to stay on the sideline or adopt a wait and see with more uncertainty, unless those are willing to take a bit more higher risk. We can start to nibble some beaten down stocks.
好的，谢谢 Vincent 乐天交易证券的销售主管给我们带来的市场分析。